In the last video, we walked through the basics when it comes to using the periodic table. In this video, we'll talk about why the periodic table is arranged in the way that it is. We talked about how group 1 elements are called alkali metals and group 2 elements are called alkaline earth metals. The elements in this column are called halogens, and the elements in the last column are called noble gases. Notice that these names apply to each element in the column. This is because elements in each column have similar properties. So, for example, all of the elements in group 2 are called alkaline earth metals because they behave similarly in chemical reactions. Which element do you expect to have properties most similar to sodium? Sodium's chemical symbol is Na. Remember, elements in the same family have similar properties, and the closer they are to each other in the same family, the more similar those properties will be. So sodium will be the most similar to potassium. Notice that even though magnesium is right next to sodium on the periodic table, their properties are different. This is because they aren't in the same column. Magnesium and sodium are in the same row or period, though. Elements in the same row don't share properties, but they're about the same size. Which element do you expect to be the most similar in size to sodium? Sodium's chemical symbol is Na. As we said, elements in the same row or period are very similar in size. This means that aluminum will be the most similar in size to sodium. Let's try a few more. Which element do you expect to have properties most similar to fluorine? Fluorine's chemical symbol is F. Chlorine is in the same column as fluorine, so it has the most similar properties to fluorine. Which element do you expect to be the most similar in size to fluorine? Fluorine's chemical symbol is F. Fluorine and oxygen are in the same row, so they are the most similar in size. So now we know that the periodic table is arranged according to certain patterns. Across each row, elements are similar in size. Down each column, elements have similar properties. Why these properties repeat periodically is one of the mysteries answered at the beginning of the 20th century by quantum mechanics, but that's a topic for later videos.